Can you have 180% humidity? My goodness, after that rain, I think I've got it. Look here, I just got done eating my Dollar Tree steak. If you missed that, go back and watch my Canteen Cup Tuesday for my budget meal, my steak and eggs, and you can see it. But I wanted to show you some more stuff I got at the Dollar Tree for hiking. They've got some really handy hygiene items. They've got these little brushes and mirrors. And look, let me open this guy up real quick so you can see what it does. Okay, so you got this brush and the little bristles, they fold in, and she folds up to a little package. And it doesn't weigh anything hardly. It's plastic and a little bit of rubber. And gives you a real brush so you don't look all wiry going down the trail. One of the other things I like to get is they have this little these little packets of antibacterial wipes. And if I'm doing just like a little weekend trip, you know, they're wet, so they've got a little bit of weight to them, but there's 10 of them in that pack. So that gives me a couple, 3 of them a day for a 3-day trip. And just gives me something to freshen up with a little bit, feel a little bit better. I saw this here, this hand sanitizer, and it's on a little carabiner, so you can hook that onto your pack for when you got to go do your business in the woods. Because, you know, people talk about getting sick from the water, but most of the time, y'all kill the germs, okay? They also have these little packs here. So, nice little, these 2 fluid ounces, right? That'll get you down the trail for a while. And it's a good emergency fire starter. I like to stroll by the book section. And this time I got myself some word puzzles. I like to take some kind of activity sometimes where I'm camping, and for $1 I can rip these pages out, put them in a little Ziploc baggie with a little pen or pencil, and give me something to do at camp. They got a little travel section, and in there I got this little Crest, little Crest Pro Health mouthwash. So we've got 1.2 fluid ounces, enough to freshen you up a couple mornings. And speaking of that, sometimes if I'm just gone for a couple days, I don't like to take my little travel toothbrush and pack of toothpaste or baking soda or whatever you use. I like to take these little Crest Scope Freshen Ups. And this has 2 of them. And I can usually get 2 brushings out of one of these if I don't go too awful crazy. Just knock everything loose and, you know, keep them in good enough shape so I can get home and get real with them. But, you know, so one of those will get me through a couple nights or a couple mornings. I'll just skip the nighttime brushing. Shh, don't tell my dentist. When I'm out hiking, I'll skip the nighttime brushing and I'll just freshen up with these in the morning. You gotta get all that ick out of there, right? So you feel better going down the trail. They've got other things over in the little travel section. They've got some like little travel-sized deodorants. And sometimes if I'm gone just for the weekend and I freshen up, I actually like to put a little deodorant on, and I don't know if it works, but it makes me feel better. Sometimes it's a psychological thing. I'm going to show you something else out that's handy about the Dollar Trees. Let's see. I gotta go over there and get it. I got a little cooler with some stuff in it. I showed you some snacks last week. Oh, look here. Hey, look here. You know, one of the things that's handy about the Dollar Tree is they want to get everything down to a size that it's $1. So they automatically go ahead and package stuff for you that's in better sizes for us to take hiking and camping with us without having to go to a specialty store and pay a lot of money. Show you what I mean. Like you saw me use this a couple weeks ago in one of my cooking videos. And let me show you. See, we wouldn't take this whole box with us camping. We'd open this guy up. And inside here we got a little seasoning packet. And we got some loose pasta. But we just dump that into one of the snack Ziploc baggie. Okay? You don't have to take the whole box. Just take that snack Ziploc baggie and that little seasoning packet. And you throw that in your backpack. And this serves 2 people, okay? So as prepared with the oil and everything that you're gonna add to it, it's 250 calories per serving. So this whole box is a nice little 500 calorie meal for when you get to camp that night. And look at these little pepperonis, right? 2 pouches, you see that up there? Has 2 pouches in there. Let's look in there and see what that means. Wow, look at that. So see, you can take that apart, and this is shelf stable, and you can take this little bit of pepperoni, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got 14 slices of pepperoni, so you got a nice individual serving size there. And you could put that inside of this, you dice it up and put it in there, or do something with it. But see, the Dollar Tree already makes it a nice little convenient packing camp pack for you. And look at this bacon. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got a nice hearty serving of bacon. And sometimes when I'm kayak and canoe camping, I like to take a cooler with me, a small cooler in my kayak, and I can pack fresh stuff in it like this to cook. I love to cook fresh at camp when I'm canoeing and kayak camping. And so here, right here, this is vacuum packed. You can sit in my cooler. It's not going to leak and get messy and yucky. And it's a perfect, nice, hearty size to get me on the river in the morning. So if you want to save a couple dollars and get yourself down the trail a little more, check out your Dollar Tree. Check out your other dollar stores and what they have to offer for you. Whether it's, just an activity for camp, or it's some of your hygiene items or food for you. You can save a lot of money, and because they want to get to that dollar price point, like I said, they already package it for you in little individual sizes. And there you go. We'll see you on the trail. Need some water now. Did I tell you I think it's 380% humidity? Can we get that? It's not that hot out here, and I'm sweating like, well, like a piggy. Oh my. Hey, here's a little sneak peek for you. If you follow me on Facebook, you know I received a 100-round saw pouch in the mail last week. There's our radio pouch, a bunch of grenade pouches, some canteen and utility pouches. I got a little project I'm working on. And there's just a little sneak peek for you.